FitLabPGH is the podcast that treats movement as a lifestyle, not an activity. Some people who are not yet regular exercisers, or they're just starting out, or they're fair weather exercises, often ask, what do you do when it rains? The glib answer is you get wet. The smarter answer and the more helpful answer is you get wet, but you're properly prepared. So the Labradors have these great coats, so they don't mind whether it's raining or snowing. They don't like when it gets warm. But for me, I need to have the proper clothing. So I like wool and synthetic layers. I've got a soft shell by Jottnar on. I've got a wool Smartwool top with a hood on. I've got Defeet wool gloves. And I've got Lone Peak waterproof Neo-Shell mid-high running shoes. So it's 40 degrees, as I said, but I'm warm. The Labradors are warm. We're both wet, and we're taking the opportunity to enjoy a little quiet outside and enjoy the raindrops. So move more, move in a variety of ways, and move as a lifestyle.